Hi, I'm going to show you how to turn in assignments from Google Classroom. So if you take a look, when you log in, you're going to hit Classroom. So your student has to be logged in under their name and they hit Classroom. When they hit Classroom, currently you should see 6 different boxes. Okay. Then I'm going to click on eLaFerge Homeroom. And as you can see, it gives me a different kind of menu. Please make sure that you will take attendance each day here because that is very important for us. It should come out as a Google form. Next, I'm going to select classwork. And as you can see, it gives me a bunch of assignments that have been assigned at this particular point. So if I wanted to turn in Monday's work, I would click on Welcome Back Monday. And then I would click on View Assignment. Okay. When I view the assignment, okay, I see this, okay, and when I work on it, I'm going to click on my slides right here. Oops, not that, but my slides. Up pops your work, and then all you have to do is type in it. So, for example, if I wanted to type in here, I could write down, see, as you can see, it's very small, but I can type in my answers into the boxes. Same way here, I can type my answers into the boxes. As you can see, okay, so that should be, you should be able to do that for each one of these worksheets. So all you have to do is, if you see a cross on it or a plus sign with arrows on the end and you click on that, that means you can actually write in that box. So go ahead and write in those boxes. When you are done, all you have to do is click out of it. It'll save your work. And then all you need to do is add turn in. So if I click on turn in, it'll give me a box like this. And then I can turn in my assignment. If I made a mistake or I don't want it to be graded at this particular point, I'm going to click unsubmit and then click unsubmit again. And I can go back through and work on it. If you have questions or comments, students can put comments here, but remember, everybody can see these comments. If they just have a comment just for me or a question, they can put them here as far as that goes. So what happens when I do Tuesday's work? Well, I'm going to go and I'm going to go back to homeroom and classwork. And let's say I want to put this here. Welcome Back Packet. So I'm going to open that and I'm going to view the assignment. I'm going to click on the slide. And as you can see, I've got instructions here. So I can actually click here how to be responsible. So I would type my responses in these boxes. Okay. Once you're done, you close out of it. And then you click turn in again. And then another turn in. And it should submit it. Again, if you are not finished with it, you can unsubmit it and go back in and work on it some more. If you have any other questions about how to turn in assignments, please let me know. Thank you.